Hi
Hi,
Siddhi. Hi Neetu ji.
Neelu.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry, Neelu ji.
No worries.
Yes, Celestial Dragon Healing. First, I would like to say about Siddhi. I completely don't know who Siddhi is. Siddhi कौन है मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Starting में मैं उन्हें याना याना करके बुलाती थी.
Ah,
I meet her from a Facebook ad for Angel Garden Guardian Angel workshop.
the
And
master
really,
class.
no basic class.
Okay.
एंड फ्रॉम बेसिक क्लास उन्होंने जो मिराकल्स तो तब से दिखना स्टार्ट हो गया जब जब सिद्धि जी ने सिखाया फ्रॉम बेसिक क्लास मिराकल्स वाज स्टार्टेड शोइंग इट्स वाज सो फेबुलस फ्रॉम बेसिक क्लास देन आई चूज मास्टर क्लास and yes, with Celestial Dragon class, when Siddhi ji ke साथ जब मैंने ये class किया, it was so amazing, it was so fabulous. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो जैसे सिद्धि जी ऑलवेज सिद्धि जी के लिए मैं कहूंगी ना तो छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन होते हैं हमें अकॉर्डिंग बच्चों के जैसे क्वेश्चन होते हैं एनर्जी बींग्स को लेके कि ये क्या होता है वो कहता है तो ईच एंड एवरी टाइम आई रिपीट और एनी वन रिपीट क्वेश्चन शी गिव्स वेरी पेशेंटली और बहुत कामली शी रिप्लाइज एवरी वन सो आई एम एक्चुअली ग्रेटफुल फॉर सिद्धि फॉर दैट वन सेकेंड
No worries. Wait, did you mute yourself? Hang on. Where are you?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, 1 second.
यस
There you are.
तो यस बिफोर दैट सिद्धि जी ने है ना एक हीलिंग्स ऑफर किए थे हमें ड्रैगन सेलेस्टियल ड्रैगन हीलिंग्स ऑफर किए थे
Right.
सो आई एनरोल फॉर दैट एंड दैट टाइम वो जब पीरियड चालू था ना दैट टाइम आई वाज वेरी स्टक इन रिलेशनशिप इशू आई वाज सो इन जजमेंटल फॉर्म कि नहीं ये तो नहीं होना है एंड विद इन सेकेंड सेशन within 10 minutes my all judgment started melting even my hymns judgment started melting and
Wow.
we started talking we started chatting within 2 hours everything was bang on so this is magic बहुत ही टाइम से ये क्रैशेस चल ही रहा था अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन बट आफ्टर सेलेस्टियल ड्रैगन वर्कशॉप मतलब सिद्धि जी के पास से जैसे मैंने सेलेस्टियल ड्रैगन वर्कशॉप किया सो इट क्लिंजेस अ लॉट बियॉन्ड माय इमेजिनेशन मतलब मेरे सोचने से भी ज्यादा वहां पे क्लिंजिंग हो गया और नाउ रिलेशनशिप इज बिल्ड हो रहा है रिलेशनशिप सो मेरा फेथ वहीं से बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया अगेन ऑन मनी फैक्टर सो इट इज अगेन बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक बिल्ड हो रहा है इट इज गोइंग स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड अबाउट रेकी क्लास सो इट्स रियली सो फेबुलस सिद्धि ने जो सेलेस्टियल ड्रैगन हीलिंग माय ड्रैगन इज रॉरिंग आउटसाइड
Little babies in the house are always meant to be heard, and we always have somebody's little one being heard. So please don't worry about it. Will it be easier for you if you just have your baby with you?
it's easier I have she will take care of it
Okay, all
So,
right.
जैसे इन्होंने रेकी सिंबल इन्होंने अट्यूमेंट दिया मास्टर क्लास करा तो आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग और आई गॉट ऑटोमेटिक इंटरेस्ट वाज सो जैसे रिजल्ट इज सो हाई सो आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग ऑल्सो इट्स लाइक एनर्जी वॉज स्टार्टेड कि नहीं ये सिखाना ही इट इज समथिंग लाइक पीपल मस्ट लर्न दिस काइंड ऑफ रेकी quick healing sessions like just do water dragon symbol and emotion started uh, healing recently my daughter is very everything studies so I give her water dragon symbol from reiki so it was like mama give me daily it's so wonderful like that way so every day by day I have so many testimonials if I start talking it's amazing and yes siddhi the way siddhi give us this workshop with amazing it is first she gives very calm and patient reply to everyone small blocks she make class very wonderful मतलब क्लास का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो वेरी स्लोली डाइजेस्ट आपके अंदर पूरा हो जाए कंप्लीट डाइजेस्ट हो जाए वैसे वो देते हैं शी गिव्स matlab she attend again. If you skip anything, she attend you again and again. Matlab,
Right.
you are not unanswered any time. Never ever. You are always at one point, at one conclusion, or at guidance. And really, I'm so grateful that universe gifted me Siddhi
You.
from Facebook. So and yes, one more testimonial myself on myself. मुझे ना एक साल से खांसी थी. It is cough. It is not so easy. ये something on chakra blocks related था, and
Right.
related something energy beings was troubling me like that something. बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग था. आई वॉज ट्राइंग अ लॉट. बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैंने ट्राई किया कि वो रिलीज हो जाए. एज एन आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग हीलिंग फ्रॉम 3 to 4 years and so many modality, and I'm trying so strong to release that cough. This was
Right.
a year, pura saal, and it troubled me a lot. Major issue of my life, that was that cough, khasi. And they sometimes they awake me at 3 o'clock at night, entities, and tell their work, and I can't control that situations, and I get mad on that. मतलब वो situation बहुत mad कर देने वाली थी. As Siddhi came in my life, angel workshop came, master angel class came, and after celestial dragon class, my that issue is completely solved. मतलब अभी वो
Fabulous.
जो बूमरैंग एंटिटी कॉल्स और जबरदस्ती जो सेशन लेना होता था वो कुछ भी नहीं होता है. नाउ आई एम कंप्लीटली प्रोटेक्टेड. ईच एंड एवरी हीलर मस्ट उनकी बास्केट में ये सेलेस्टियल ड्रैगन वर्कशॉप तो होना ही चाहिए. दिस इज कंप्लीटली प्रोटेक्टेड. फाइनेंशियल रेजिंग, relationship raising, and much more spiritual life and everything get raised for this class. Really.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Superb. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nehal. We can make out your little one is waiting for attention.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
If you want to let her come in, I'm sorry, I just assumed it's a girl. Is your little one a girl or a
Hi.
boy? Ane do, let him come in. Ane do, let him be with you. And for our international audience,
Oh, yes.
the what Nehal has said is that pretty much covered the fact that with this, with Dragon Celestial Healing and Dragon Reiki workshop, they settle down now, bus, peaceful. And is that your daughter? Say hi to us. Okay. Has she muted herself again? I'm just gonna try and get this on.
Yes, my
There you are.
dragon is roaring so loudly.
Yeah,
He
it's
will
a,
make
it's a
you all
dra-
crazy.
it's a dragon call with Siddhi. Obviously, he's gonna be there. Why are you
He
keeping
will come,
us
obviously. From so long, जैसे कॉल स्टार्ट हुआ ना, ही इज अराउंड मी. मेरे
Right.
नीचे कबोर्ड के पास है. यहाँ पे ही गोल गोल घूम रहा है वो.
He's absolutely adorable. Mwah.
आंटी तो के किसी दिए था.
Right, Siddhi? It's a dragon call with you, and her own dragon is like she's keeping him outside the door. How will that happen? Can't happen.
Yes.
For our international audience, just quickly summarizing, Nehal has said that her relationship, her health, her finances, all have been on an upward journey ever since she's done a number of classes, including the celestial dragon healing with Dragon Reiki with Siddhi, so much so that she's even teaching it now. So thank you so much, Nehal, for coming on. Thank you for introducing us to your precious little dragon over there. Siddhi, do you have anything to say to Nehal?
Thank you so much, Nehal. It's in fact it's wonderful. It's a validation for a teacher when she gets to know that her students are flourishing and in a great way. Nothing could have made me happier. We are often connected on and off weekly basis, and when she shares her progress or news with me, it is always a delight to hear and catch up on others' progress. And it's not only Nehal, there are so many others. They've started taking up healings, they've started taking up, they started making their lives better. You know, teaching it to someone else is one joy altogether. But when you see that your relationship that kind of was bothering you so much is now more flourishing, is the biggest joy of all that could happen to anyone. So likewise, in fact, she was the first ever person to get me my validation. So she always has that important space in my life also. So thank you, Nehal.